In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect in Cloudflare. Redirecting URLs within Cloudflare can be an essential task. Whether you're streamlining your web traffic, enhancing your site's SEO, or simply organizing your domain management more effectively. Let's dive into the process together. First, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account. On your dashboard, you should see a list of your domains. Go ahead and select the domain you want to set up a redirect rule for. This will take you to the domain's specific settings page where you can access various configurations. Once you're on the domain settings page, look for the section titled Rules. Click on it and then select Overview. This section is where you'll manage all your domain rules, from redirects to page rules and more. To create a new redirect, click on the Create Rule button and then choose Redirect Rule. This action initiates the process of setting up a redirection for your domain. Next, give your redirect rule a descriptive name that helps you easily identify its purpose. For instance, you might name it something like Redirect www to root, especially if you're planning to redirect traffic from a subdomain to your main domain. Naming your rules clearly is a handy practice as it helps maintain organization and clarity, especially if you manage multiple domains or have numerous rules set up. Now it's time to set up the conditions under which this redirect should occur. You have the option to choose a wildcard pattern, such as example.com / or example.com /. Selecting a wildcard pattern allows you to match requests flexibly based on the specified pattern. Another option is to set it to match all incoming requests, which will activate this redirect for every request hitting your domain. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After defining the conditions, it's time to configure the redirect itself. You'll start by selecting the appropriate status code. You can choose either a 301 or a 302 status code, depending on whether you want the redirect to be permanent or temporary. A 301 status code signifies a permanent redirect, which is useful for SEO as it transfers the ranking power to the new URL. A 302 status code, on the other hand, indicates a temporary redirect, which can be useful for short-term changes. For the target URL, if you're using dynamic redirections, you can employ the syntax $$ to refer to wildcard segments within your pattern. For example, if your wildcard is example.com /, the target URL might look like https:/example.com $1 to maintain dynamic path management. Additionally, you can choose to preserve query strings. If your incoming requests carry specific parameters that need to be transferred to the target URL, check this option to ensure they are included. Finally, once everything is set up correctly, click on Deploy to activate the rule. This step will make your schedule live, enabling the redirect across your domain as specified. And that's it. You've successfully created a redirect in Cloudflare.